quickly check Mail, Messages, or another app without leaving the one you're in. Here's how to use Slide Over on iPad. We'll cover how to add apps to Slide Over and how to use it. To add an app to Slide Over, open the app you'd like to add, then tap the multitasking button at the top of the screen. Now, tap the Slide Over button to send your app to the right side of the screen. Tap another app to open it, and the app you added to Slide Over will appear on the right side of the screen. Repeat this process for any other apps you'd like to add to Slide Over. To switch between your apps or make a Slide Over app go full screen, swipe left from the right edge of your screen to open Slide Over. To cycle through your apps, drag sideways along the bar at the bottom of the Slide Over window. This is helpful if you need to quickly check messages, mail, reminders, or calendar. You can also view all your open apps in Slide Over at the same time. To do this, slide up from the bottom of the Slide Over window and your apps will fan out. Now, you can tap an app to use it. You can also view your Slide Over apps in the App Switcher. Just slide up from the bottom of your screen. Then, swipe left to view your Slide Over apps and tap one if you wish to use it. If you'd like to make one of your Slide Over apps go full screen, tap the multitasking button at the top of the Slide Over window, then tap the full screen button. Now you can check your favorite apps at a glance.